देयर इज वन थिंग कॉल्ड आर्ट के मामले में बात करते हैं और एक है आपको अपना घर चलाना है, तो आप डूबोगे तो पार हो जाओगे।
Everything can't be gifted to you.
हाउ स्पेस एंड सेक्सुअलिटी इज काइंड ऑफ रिलेटेड टू ईच अदर। कि आपने ये काम किया नहीं है तो चुपचाप करो पहले। मैंने थिएटर क्रैक कर लिया, थिएटर ने जो थप्पड़ मारा मुझे, मैं साउथ दिल्ली का बॉय, इंग्लैंड रिटर्न, मैं प्रोडक्शन की चाय लेकर आऊं। इट्स अ नेवर एंडिंग प्रोसेस। तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ यार एक ही लाइफ है,
सब करना। Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of We Are Art. आपने कभी ट्रिपल थ्रेट का नाम सुना है? Yes, in the world of performing arts, ट्रिपल थ्रेट यूजुअली तब कहते हैं जब किसी बंदे या बंदी को 3 डिसिप्लिन्स साथ में आते हो। यूजुअली दे आर डांसिंग, सिंगिंग एंड एक्टिंग। और आज के जो हमारे गेस्ट हैं, ही इज नॉट जस्ट ट्रिपल थ्रेट, ही इज अ क्विंटपल थ्रेट। वो डांसर भी हैं, सिंगर भी हैं, म्यूजिक कंपोजर भी हैं, and he also acts fabulously, and he also directs. So he is a polymath performer who has mastered so many skills simultaneously, and we can't wait to ask him how does he put everything together without one overwhelming the other. So यही आज के एपिसोड में हम क्रैक करने की कोशिश करेंगे of how to hone multiple skill sets and also how to execute them seamlessly. Watch out for the episode. If there was one person that I would call multi-talented, it's him. So thank you so much for removing the time and joining us here.
Thank you.
पहले तो बताइए कैसे? How do you manage so many talents at the same time?
I don't know how to answer that. No. I think I was lucky initially that in my early schooling, my parents also were excited about me doing other things. So they were the ones who kind of pushed me to, let's say, music, classical singing, going for classes, parallelly going for dance on Saturday, Sunday.
Wow.
And our school had enough stuff going on when it came to dramatics, doing plays and all of that. So I was lucky कि by the time I got to Bombay and theater में थोड़ा थोड़ा घुसना हुआ, और luckily theater is also something which kind of gives you an opportunity to try multiple things
Explore
within a
different
play.
things, yeah.
So in that sense I've been lucky, but उसके बाद I think I also get bored, I think, doing just one thing. So I try to just do as many as possible, I guess.
So how do you introduce yourself, Mohit Agarwal, the singer, the music composer, the director, or the actor? जब कोई approach करते हैं तो कैसे करते हैं?
Firstly, I'm not a good singer. I think I'm a better composer than I'm a singer. But I think it just depends on who I'm meeting. Ideally, I just say I'm a theater maker or I do plays, because I feel my first love comes from stage, and that's the first way to introduce me, I feel. But yeah, I mean, I think then I've done more acting work, and a lot of music work now happened. So most of the projects going on now end up kind of falling into that category.
Lovely. And also, if you all aren't aware, Mohit has been to Cannes for Agra. That's his film, which is, has it released yet? Can we see it
Not in
anywhere?
India, not yet, not in India. It's a difficult film also, I guess, to be released.
Could you tell me something about the film, please?
So the film is based on sexual repression. This I play a sexually deprived boy in a small city like Agra, as we all know, and the secrecy of it, and how space and sexuality is kind of related to each other. That there's a struggle of space, and thus it taps into a very personal, very secretive life of yours, and reveals the truth in that sense of this boy.
Interesting. And do we expect a release here at all?
Well, I'm hoping to. It's a tough time, I guess. A lot of films are not being
Yeah.
released, and which, as an artist, you can just hope that they do get released. Not just mine, but so many of our friends have done such good work and they worked really hard for them. And eventually, they also don't know if the films are coming out or not. I mean, we did a whole international tour with the film, and sometimes you feel that doing a tour like this would make it so easy for a film to be released here,
That's
but I
correct.
guess it's not that easy.
I see.
So let's hope. I'm also hoping.
Let's hope that we get to see you.
Yes, bro.
And also, the topic of our episode today is how to merge different disciplines
Yeah.
of performing arts together.
Yeah.
As we know that you have learned out of over the years different aspects of it all.
Yeah.
So how do we put it all together is our crux of the episode. We'll try and get as much as information from you as possible regarding this. To begin with, tell me, do you see these entities differently or do you see them as one, as a collective? कि मतलब थिएटर कर रहे हैं तो सब एक साथ होने ही वाला है, or do you approach them individually?
I feel for me it is all something like I love all of those fields. So for me, I think the more important thing is, do you love it and do it with all your heart? Is passion involved in it? And if you're able to find passion, then everything seems the same, because your work ethic, your how you look at art, like a music piece can be compared to a poetry, can be compared to a great performance or a great straight drive by Sachin Tendulkar. I think it just depends on, do you love it, or are you doing it thinking it's your job, or you need to earn money, so you gotta do it. So in my case, I'm not that guy. For me, it doesn't matter if I'm doing a full power commercial film or an extremely artsy, low budget film for online, because if I'm in love with what I'm doing, then I see it pretty much the same. Obviously, the skill set used is
Is
different in all of them, for which the catch is to, I mean, the idea is to, I guess, what I've understood in the years that I've done so far, is you gotta still remain a little child and learn something.
That inquisitiveness.
You gotta be curious about what you do. That helps me. For example, initially I wasn't confident about making music. I was more confident as a dancer or as a choreographer. But then I realized, as soon as I opened all my books of the past, of all the ragas, and I kind of dived into it, or I was forced into, kind of pushed into making music for a play all by myself.
Oh wow.
That led me to kind of explore and trying to really dig deep. And I guess once you dig deep, as the title of my
You
play,
start
जो
learning.
डूबा सो पार, आप डूबोगे तो
Oh
पार हो
my
जाओगे.
God. Yeah, yeah.
So I think for me it is, and I've also reached a state where I've realized कि आपको achieve कुछ भी नहीं हो जाएगा. मतलब achieve in the sense, आप दुनिया के best actor तो बन नहीं जाओगे, आप दुनिया के best dancer बन नहीं जाओगे. Even now I say it all the time. If you see Nasir sir, or if you see Kumud ji, Mr. Kumud Mishra, Kumud sir को आप देखोगे, या फिर ऐसे हमारे कितने seniors हैं, वो अभी भी एक एक script पे काम करते हैं, तो वो छोटे बच्चों की तरह काम करते हैं. They are still curious कि ये text का क्या रहा है, subtext क्या कह रहा है, what is the writer trying to say, what can I add as an actor. Similarly, for a musician, what can I add that just enhances the story more and the vision of the director. That childlike quality of wanting to learn is what I want to hold on to, and then you start seeing everything similarly. So one of the ways to do multi things is to firstly fall in love with them. If you're in love with two, you got to go full throttle. You got to dive into it. You could be uncomfortable at so many points. You could be scared. You could have anxiety on a few days. I'm saying it's all worth it. When I'm giving my 100%, it eventually gives me something. Eventually, I've realized that if I'm opting a script as an actor, that I really want to be present and invested in the script. If I'm making music, it is me and my harmonium trying to have a relationship, and I want to make sure I'm true to that relationship.
Oh, sweet.
And I think things automatically come out from it.
Got
Is what I'm where I am right now with multi things, I
it.
guess.
Another interesting point is that everything can't be gifted to you.
Yeah.
There are a few things that are your strongholds,
Yeah.
and the others you develop as you go in
Yeah.
your journey towards craft. You know.
Yeah.
So would you like to pinpoint के किस पे focus करना चाहिए, किस पे नहीं करना चाहिए, and also
Yes.
primarily
Sorry.
do we start and excel in one and then start the others, or it is a simultaneous journey कि हम ये थोड़ा आता है but इसको भी शुरू कर. How do we approach it? If let's say I am good at A, but
Right.
I want to be good at A, B, C.
Right.
I'm good at A already.
Right.
मतलब B, C को मैं कब शुरू करूँ? जब मैं A में excel कर जाऊँ तब शुरू करूँ?
Right.
या A में halfway हूँ? How do you go about it?
I think it's different for different people. I guess you also have people saying आप एक ही काम कर लो, focus करके करो,
Yeah.
अच्छे से करो. I totally get it. For me, it doesn't work that way, because I like to jump projects in a day. It can be on days hectic, then I have to take my breaks.
Me time.
You have to take it, because if you're jumping zones and universes and scripts, and from
Absolutely.
music to dance to voice work, body work, it's just you have to be careful with your schedules. I feel I am a guy who says आपको ABC तीनों करने का मन है, आप ABC करो, और eventually वो अपनी ही speed से चलेंगे. You can't force or push the speed for it. आपको म्यूजिक में म्यूजिक डांस ये सब रियाज वाली चीजें, एक्टिंग रियाज वाली चीजें, डायरेक्शन रियाज वाली चीजें. आप जितने प्ले बनाओगे उतने प्ले आपको, आप उस स्किल में बेटर होगे. आप जितना म्यूजिक के साथ लगे रहोगे ओवर द इयर्स आपका थोड़ा थोड़ा स्किल बेटर होगा. So I personally believe in you start ABC if you want to start ABC. Now there are things like with our age etc. You also have to parallelly think of money. How do you get that sorted? So your priority goes to, okay, this project is giving me a lot of money, and then parallelly this is what I need to keep building on. Sometimes मेरा music का रियाज नहीं हो पाता because I'm directing a play that's not even a musical, or I'm directing,
but it's getting the money.
but it's getting the money, or like I said, I'm in love with my work, so it eventually gives me love anyway. But that doesn't mean music stops in my life. अगर मैं हारमोनियम उठा के नहीं बैठ पा रहा तो मेरे कान में सितार चलता रहेगा कभी कभी. मैं इतना सारा संगीत है, इंडिया, पाकिस्तान, ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड. You have so many styles of music, so much variety with it. It always stays up. Now, like for example, these days I'm trying to push in trying to study filmmaking because मेरी सारी एजुकेशन या मेरा सारा काम ज्यादातर स्टेज पे हुआ. और वहां से मैं कन्वर्ट म्यूजिक वीडियोस बनाने लगा तो खुद कैमरा में रिस्क लेने शुरू किए, बिहाइंड द कैमरा भी रिस्क लेने शुरू किए, थोड़ा पैसा लगाया, वो सब भी किया. एंड आई एम स्टिल कॉन्स्टेंटली डूइंग इट फॉर व्हाटएवर आई रियली वांट टू मेक. राइट नाउ आई एम ट्राइंग टू push in terms of learning camera, in terms of learning lighting for camera, what are the lenses, how do you shoot, so that I'm trying to build more. So obviously उसमें मेरा choreography time, dance time थोड़ा कम हो रहा है etc. But I guess I walk also, sometimes I'm grooving, मेरा डांस का बटन ऑन रहता है. So I guess it just depends कि अगर आपके अंदर वो 2 या 3 लोग कहीं है ना, जो आप एक्टिंग के कीड़े की बात करते हो आपके अंदर है तो वो है. ऐसे ही मुझे लगता है आपके अंदर वो फील्ड का अपने अपने जो भी आपकी मल्टी फील्ड्स हैं उसके अगर कीड़े आपके अंदर हैं तो आपको उधर चलते रहना चाहिए.
Don't kill them.
Don't kill them. Don't kill them.
उनको जब शाइन करना होगा तब वो करेंगे.
Yeah, but for people who say you got to stay, do one thing properly, finish it. I mean, if it's working for them, it is working for them. For me, I feel अगर मैं एक ही चीज में घुसा रहता हूँ, I need a getaway.
And when was the first time you really brought all of these things together in a project, if you can recall? And what was it? And how was the experience? Could you take us
So, I mean, see, it's mostly theater that got everything. In fact, my very first play in 2012, I did a kids play called Tunni Ki Kahani. Gopal Dutt, a great actor director himself, he was the one who was directing it. Theater की rehearsal में मैं पहली बार पहुंचा और उन्होंने पूछा कि गाना गा लेते हो या डांस कर लेते हो. और मैं वहाँ प्ले में एक्टिंग करने गया था. So I guess I realized कि वो not on behind the scenes, मतलब not on the creative side of it, but just I had gone as a young actor, fresh actor also. वो fields parallelly खुल चुकी थी उस समय भी, because luckily मेरी, as I said, I was lucky कि पढ़ाई कर रहा था मैं तीनों की. I think one of the projects was आइबो काटे नाम का play था, अक्षय आनंद कोहली का direction. So आइबो काटे में, let's say I was acting, I was playing Sardar, wearing a turban. I realized that day how much responsibility it is from a couple of things that happened, and I was like, okay, this is serious. And then parallelly, I was told to compose qawwalis in it. Wow. Now, before that, I had made music for plays, but always with somebody, with Gagan Dev Riyar, who's excellent at it, with Rohit Das, who's been doing, he comes from a music family. His father is, we all know, is a great sitar player. So for me, Aibo Karte was where I took the courage to kind of individually take up things and merge them. And then with the page that I run, The Indian Gentleman, that really kind of opened up zones, because I realized for something like that, my knowledge of music, dancing, acting and direction all need to come together for that style of a Chaplinesque musical to kind of work.
For those who don't know, Mohit runs a page called The Indian Gentleman, and it's amazing storytelling. It's what, 1 minute long?
We've now explored with more time, but they're mostly like, they're
most
all
of the videos are just 1 minute, and within that minute you get amazing visuals of storytelling, of dancing, of acting, of it's like a full movie in a minute. You ought to watch it on Instagram. It's called The Indian Gentleman, so do check it out. And moving on from there, let's come to what you just said. In Aibo Kate, you weaved everything together, right? You were acting in it and playing the music, and also you sung a few songs here and there. So what are the things, if we are going with a multifaceted approach, like a multidisciplinary approach, what are the things that you have to keep in mind कि मतलब अगर बहुत सारा एक साथ डाल दो तो भेल ना हो जाए, how do you
हाँ,
still keep it clean?
yeah, I guess you still have to, like I said, be truthful to the form. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप अपने डायरेक्टर से झूठ बोल सकते हो, चोरी कर सकते हो, आप अपने एक्टर से झूठ बोल सकते हो, चोरी कर सकते हो, को एक्टर्स से, आप अपने कॉस्ट्यूम पर्सन, आप सबसे झूठ बोल सकते हो, आप स्क्रिप्ट खोल के अकेले टाइम पे खुद से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते। आपको पता है कि आप यहाँ इधर तक पहुंचे हो। सो ऑल्सो विथ समथिंग लाइक प्ले एटसेट्रा, इट्स ऑल्सो एन ऑन गोइंग प्रोसेस। ऐसा है नहीं कि आपने 2 महीने रिहर्सल की, आप एक प्ले ओपन करोगे और वो इतना परफेक्ट ओपन हो गया कि मिल गया हमें शो।
हाँ,
नो, it ends up happening. Sometimes the play is evolving for 50, 60, 100. We've done like 120 shows of Joe Duba so far. Even now, Ajitesh and I suddenly pick up the phone and talk to each other and say, यार ये वाला part change करें क्या? क्या should we write this completely in a new way, etc. So I guess it is important to be truthful to what you're doing again, and thus you will automatically know कि मेरा ना इस समय आइबो काटे में, for example, ये म्यूजिक स्ट्रगल कर रहा है, मुझे कैरेक्टर तो मिल चुका है अपना एक्टिंग करते वक्त। Then I made sure I had to spend those number of hours. I had to make sure I sit with myself, process it, work on it, try different tunes, gotta keep digging, keep digging, keep digging, keep digging. But for that, I had to make sure कि मैंने, like seniors say sometimes, वो एक काम पहले उतना खत्म किया मैंने जिसमें मुझे पता है now let this marinate itself while this is my time to give more hours
Got
to
it.
music, let's say.
got it.
So you can balance it in a way, as long as you are not just picking up 3 4 things, फिर वो आप पे heavy हो जाएंगी।
And you won't be able to do justice to them.
Yeah, plus also it takes years, it takes time. I'm into my 13th year in Bombay and the industry, and it still feels on so many days that I've just come. मैं अपने सीनियर्स को काम करते देखता हूँ, मुझे लगता है यार ये लोग तो बहुत आगे हैं, ये तो कैसे कर रहे हैं। So it's a never ending process. So I guess as long as you are motivated and you accept the truth कि आपको इसी से ऑस्कर नहीं उठा लेना है, आपको काम करना है। एक काम करोगे दूसरा समझ आएगा, दूसरा करोगे तीसरा समझ आएगा। If you make it an ongoing education and don't go for very result oriented, then I guess you kind of can balance. You have the courage, you have the mind space to do it. You can be more relaxed. You're not chasing anything, which I used to in my initial years. I thought, यार मैं तो talented आदमी हूँ, मुझे 25 तक तो रोला काट देना है, 25 26 तक मुझे इतना काम कर लेना है कि इंडस्ट्री में सब याद रखेंगे कि मैं कौन हूँ। लेकिन मुझे समझ आया कि मैं 5 6 साल तक तो मुझे कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया था कि काम होता क्या है। उसके बाद तो थोड़ा बटन चलता है आपका। अब मेरे को पता लगा मेरे पुराने डायरेक्टर गाली क्यों दे रहे थे मुझे। अब बाद में पता लगता है आपको।
Sweet.
तो आई गेस डरने का नहीं, यू गॉट टू बी courageous, you got to be truthful to your what you're doing. It's okay if you're not the best at your skill. For example, I'm trying to do multi things, but it obviously takes away from somebody who's investing all his time in one
That's correct.
field. Some actors are on it at giving auditions, in trying to stay in the circle, trying to constantly make reels, make stuff. मैं उतना push करके नहीं कर पाता, and I balance it with other things, other skills. और somebody जो बचपन से music कर रहा है, उसने ठंडा पानी नहीं पिया, उसने सारी वो चीजें कहीं जो उनके गुरु ने प्रयास कर रहा है, गुरु ने जो बोला है कर दिया उतनी शिद्दत से, जो लगा हुआ है, तो ऑब्वियसली वो मुझसे शायद बेटर गाने बना रहा है, उसकी स्किल क्या पता मुझसे बहुत आगे हो। बट इफ आई स्टॉप माई सेल्फ थिंकिंग कि यार मैं तो कैसे पहुंचूंगा, जाकिर भाई जैसा थोड़ी मैं कुछ बना लूंगा, ऐसे थोड़ी हम रविशंकर जी से ऐसे थोड़ी बन जाएंगे सडनली, तो फिर वो स्टेप ही नहीं हो पाएगा। पर अगर आप सोचो अपन देखते हैं क्या बनेंगे, but let me truthfully stay at it, then I find it easy to juggle. If I open a script as an actor, I want to commit to it, or if I sit with my harmonium, I want to commit to it.
Wow. And आपने जो अभी बटन का जिक्र किया, I'll take you on that.
Yeah.
So if you're playing different parts in the same play or a project or a movie or whatever, is it like a button you switch on, switch off? Okay, you need some time within that play to just मुझे 5 minutes चाहिए to get out of the zone and enter the other zone.
I think it's different for different things that I do.
Okay.
For example, as an actor, I take time. I am a completely director's actor. मैं हारमोनियम हूँ, आप बजाओ, तो मैं वो हूँ उस टाइम।
Okay.
फॉर एग्जाम्पल हमारे एक थोड़ी यंगिश एज में एक्टर है सुकांत गोयल। यू सी सुकांत वर्क एंड द वे ही काइंड ऑफ ब्रेक्स सबटेक्स्ट even on the first rehearsal, or his journey towards that is unbelievable. Now me with text, I sometimes it takes me time to grasp onto it, to what is the writer exactly saying, the why is the not written stuff between the script. So as an actor sometimes I take more time. कभी कभी मेरे साथ ये भी हुआ है कि मैंने एक शो कर लिया, उसके बाद मुझे समझ आया पूरा कैरेक्टर, जब ऑडियंस सामने आई, पर उसके बाद जब मिला तो मिल गया. जनरली आई टेक अ लिटिल टाइम इन एक्टिंग, आई हैव टू बी लाइक रियली इन इट. विद म्यूजिक मेरा ऐसा नहीं है. आई कैन सिट विद द लिरिक्स, होल्ड माय हारमोनियम और मेरा बटन शायद ऑन ही है.
अच्छा.
सो वो वैसा है थोड़ा सा. डांस को लेके आइदर आई एम एक्सट्रीमली लेजी और आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हाई एनर्जेटिक, फुल पावर, आई एम ऑन. So that depends.
Like poles.
Yeah.
Different
So for
poles.
my choreography and dance, it just depends on what project I'm trying to do right now. For example, recently I did a very interesting project. There's a juvenile prison children's home in Dongri in Bombay, and for the first time they were given permission to create a play and perform it outside the jail, outside the prison.
They
And
themselves?
yes, and we made a play with them. I choreographed it. Sapan Saran directed it. Rohit Das's music. Beautiful team. Aryan Tandon assistant. Priyanka Kaul costumes. Vivek Jadhav set. We're all theatre people who got this beautiful opportunity to try and make a play with these 15, 16 kids. And that I guess for me, after a long time in a choreography project, I got super satisfied with just the existence of art. To be honest, the power of theater got mixed into these boys, and you see them changing, you see their families changing. We saw judges change and cry, we saw the cops change and cry, the whole perspective making a tiny shift, but that shift makes art very big. It makes art very big, and the satisfaction of that, I was losing, let's say, a little interest in taking up choreography projects, but that one project
Flipped
just
everything.
got me back in terms of the dance. And now a couple of conversations that I was not really doing for choreography, now I'm doing them because I feel हाँ मैं प्यार तो करता ही हूँ इस चीज से. एंड वो आर्ट की पावर जब आपको फील होती रहती है तो आप लगे रहते हो.
Amazing. Okay, we are right after a coffee break, and the coffee here is delicious.
Yeah,
Mind
it's really
you,
good.
we are at Kawali Sky Lounge, and they've been kind enough to host us for the podcast, and it's an amazing rooftop place. Do check it out if you're around. And coming back to the podcast.
Yes.
So my next question also was revolving around the principles. If supposingly I were to make a project
Right,
where there are different disciplines involved,
right.
what are the fundamental principles that I have to keep in mind के ये मत करना और ये करना मोटा मोटा.
It's a tough one because it depends on everybody according to their own ethics and willpower
And
and
they
all
are
of that.
specific
And
discipline. Yeah.
So for example, I am really bad at paperwork.
Paperwork.
Paperwork, as in I call it homework, paperwork, it's all the same thing.
Okay.
आप रिहर्सल में या शूट पे क्या करते हो वो एक चीज है. आप अकेले कमरे में घर पे बैठे क्या करते हो वो एक चीज है. So I guess one of the things that I've kind of realized is you gotta do your homework. You gotta be prepared for the next day. If it's MS Dhoni struggling to make runs, he has to go to the nets and he has to bat those many balls. That I kind of make sure that if I've picked up a project and if I'm attending a rehearsal, I try to not go blank in it. I try to open my script enough time, process it at night. If you get an hour before sleeping, sometimes some people like to do it as soon as they wake up. So when they're having their morning coffee or whatever. So one is, I guess, making sure your homework is done.
But don't you worry about over preparation in that sense, the way you're talking about?
See, that hopefully your director will also guide you and you kind of understand कि अब मैं push कर रहा हूँ, मेरे पास वही खुद से ट्रूथ वाली जो बात है ना, आपको समझ आ जाता है कि इसके बाद ना या तो मैं क्लूलेस हूँ, मेरे को एक गाइडेंस चाहिए डायरेक्टर की, या अगर मैं ही डायरेक्ट कर रहा हूँ तो देन आई ट्राई टू पुश इट अवे फॉर अ व्हाइल एंड लुक इट फ्रॉम आउटसाइड कि फिर से बाहर चलते हैं, प्रोजेक्ट के बिगिनिंग पे चलते हैं. व्हाई डिड आई स्टार्ट मेकिंग दिस प्ले, फिल्म, video, whatever, why? And then what is the purpose of the video itself? Why do people need to see it? Currently sitting in Prithvi Theatre, why do they need to watch this play, for example? So once you go back to those basic questions, you understand कि यार मैंने ना ये काम किया नहीं है इसके लिए. आपके सत्य खुलने लगते हैं कि आपने ये काम किया नहीं है तो चुपचाप करो पहले.
Got it.
आप वो करना शुरू करते हो, आपको फिर अगला दिन, एंड you also, second is I feel adaptability in that sense is very important. You got to be trusting the space, the art, the people around you, the people you're working with. Sometimes you might not like it, you have to adapt. Sometimes you have to try and do all of that for the benefit of the project firstly, and the second, your own mental health. You got to adapt sometimes. Or like I said, the more I tell myself कि इसी से सब कुछ अचीव नहीं हो जाएगा मोहित, पर काम करता रहे, होगा 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 होगा. For example, I made a play called Bang Bang Bangni. Beautiful idea, but I could not convert it into the kind of play I wanted. I directed it with somebody. She also kind of had a different vision. We had our own thoughts about the play. Also, that didn't perfectly merge into each other. Plus, I realized that I was kind of just going with the flow and not really spending that time of, like I said, doing my homework or adapting with the changing rehearsal days that you see as a director. Your actor skill, you understand कि ये मुझे इतना दे सकता है, ये मुझे इतना दे सकता है. Your captain needs to identify the whole team and
The
what
strength
the
and weaknesses of
strength and
everyone.
weaknesses of the team. आप स्टेज पे कैमरा पे चोरी नहीं कर सकते, पकड़े जाओगे. आज नहीं तो 5 साल बाद कोई देख के बोल देगा तो पकड़े जाओगे. तो ऐसी चोरियों से बचो. Like you said, principles for it's nothing but your work ethic.
Also, you spoke about vision.
Yeah,
कि, हाँ, आपका और वो डायरेक्टर का विजन एक certain amount का था and
Yeah.
certain way था. So speaking about vision, if you're working with, let's say, a particular discipline में जिसने mastery की हुई है, you will be a triple threat because you know all the three, but there'll be others around you who are master of one, not jack of all like
absolutely.
you.
Okay.
So ऐसे time पे how do you feel? Because at a particular point there will be times that he or she will be better than you
Yeah,
in their craft because
I think
they've been working on that craft throughout their life,
Sure.
whereas you've divided your time and energy in those 3 or 4
Absolutely.
crafts.
absolutely.
So how do you mentally prepare yourself to face someone who is in that particular niche, maybe better than?
It comes down to acceptance also. जो प्ले में डायरेक्ट करता हूँ, जो डूबा सुपार अजितेश के साथ हम दोनों डायरेक्ट करते हैं, वो एक म्यूजिकल है.
It's a Sufi musical. I've seen it 4 times. Oh my god. It's like music in therapy. So every 2-3 months, I think they host a show in Mumbai, Delhi, or somewhere or the other. You have to go there and just forget about the world. आप बाहर आओगे feeling very light, feeling very refreshed. Like I said, it's a music therapy. Anyways, continue.
थैंक्स मैन. सो लाइक आई सेड कि वो प्ले का म्यूजिक मैंने बनाया है, लेकिन टीम में एक एक बंदा बैठा हुआ मुझसे ज्यादा सुरीला है. ये फैक्ट ही अगर मैं नहीं मानता तो मैं अथॉरिटी ले लेके सिर्फ वो बनाता जितनी मेरी स्किल है. पर वो प्ले का म्यूजिक इसलिए शायद निखर के आया बिकॉज वो 13 लोगों के जीनियस मोमेंट्स कैप्चर करने की कोशिश करी हमने. सो इफ यू आर सिटिंग इन अ रूम and if you are truthful to yourself, you know that this person talking right now has more skill than you in that field. Suddenly you should put your student button on. मैं सीखेगा ये चीज, मैं इससे सीखेगा कि how he must have read more books than me. He must have been inspired by some geniuses. He must have been talented himself or herself. That acceptance kind of gets you to the right mood of doing things
Got it.
rather than thinking यार लीड मेरे पास है लेकिन वो मुझसे ज्यादा जानता है, वो फंस गया. Like I said, I need the team to work. For the team to work, there needs to be love, respect, and a lot of care for the room. So once you have that, you automatically know कि ये skill मेरी इतनी है और सामने वाला भी hopefully आपको सुनेगा because आपको ज्यादा पता है, और या फिर ये skill उसकी ज्यादा है. मैं लीड पे हूं तो मैं अपने पॉइंट्स रखता हूं, पर अगर बैलेंस में उस सामने से आए पॉइंट्स तो यू गॉट टू कीप योर डोर्स ओपन टू लिसन, प्रोसेस, maybe go home, take a day, and you will come back with either an argument with for that conversation in a better way, in a peaceful way, in the right way, or you take those ideas and you incorporate that, as long as both of you are sitting in that room for a similar project to work.
One vision.
One vision.
So essentially what you're saying is जब कोई better होता है हमसे इन द सेम रूम, स्टूडेंट बटन ऑन कर दो और ईगो बटन ऑफ कर
ईगो बटन ऑफ करना ही पड़ेगा, जिसमें भी अगेन मेरे को पहले 6 साल मेरे को इसलिए लगता था कि मैं साउथ दिल्ली का बॉय, इंग्लैंड रिटर्न, मैं प्रोडक्शन की चाय लेकर आऊं, मैं वो था। तो और मेरे को लग रहा था मेरे को गाली भी पड़ रही है इस चीज के लिए, जबकि मैं चुपचाप अच्छे से रिहर्सल देखना चाहता हूँ। तो मेरे को समझ आया कि बेटे चाय ले आ, अभी तेरे चाय लाने का टाइम है, तेरे को समझ आएगा कि तू चाय क्यों ला रहा है बाद में। को जितना म्यूजिक आर्ट आता है, कुमुद जी अगर टेक्स्ट पे मुझसे बात करेंगे, मेरे अपने साथ का सुकांत मुझसे टेक्स्ट पे बात करेगा, तो मैं फफड़ जाता हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि भाई की पढ़ाई, पॉलिटिक्स, सारे अवेयरनेस ऑफ अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स इज ऑन अ मच हायर एंड डीपर लेवल। सो यू शुड स्टार्ट वॉकिंग टुवर्ड्स दैट लेवल, कि अगला लेवल क्या है, अगला लेवल क्या है। You got to do that. You got to surrender to it.
Don't get stuck up with your own craft.
Or
Just
your
leave
ego.
room for growth
या
and ego.
या वरना आप नहीं कर पाओगे ग्रो। आप 2 प्रोजेक्ट एकदम किल कर लोगे सोच के मैं तो जीनियस हूँ, थर्ड में यू विल फॉल फ्लैट ऑन योर फेस एंड रियलाइज कि मैं छोड़ रहा था अपना।
ऐसा कभी हुआ है?
बहुत हुआ है यार। जो डूबा सो पार के इमीडिएटली बाद ही मैंने बैंग बैंग बैनी बनाया, और
अच्छा।
मुझे लगा मैंने एक प्ले बनाया है जो मजा आ गया लोगों को, मैंने थिएटर क्रैक कर लिया है। थिएटर ने जो थप्पड़ मारा मुझे समझ आया कि भाई काम करो, चुपचाप चुपचाप काम करो और सत्य से काम करो। कुछ प्रोजेक्ट एक ही महीने में क्रैक हो जाते हैं, कुछ की रिसर्च के लिए लगते हैं 3 साल, तो मत चोरी कर ले बेटा रिसर्च 3 साल।
And what about those people who are still sort of skeptical कि ये मुझे दूसरा discipline लेना चाहिए नहीं लेना चाहिए, who are on the fence? Do you have anything to say to them?
You just have to have courage. You got to believe in yourself. You got to believe in the love you have for the art. If that is true, it will pay you back someday on some level. For all you know, आपने इतनी सी हिम्मत दिखाई, एक दिन किसी के साथ म्यूजिक करने का मन है, रियाज करने चले गए, एक दिन आपने घर में म्यूजिक ही सुना सिर्फ पूरे दिन, इतना सा एफर्ट आपको पता नहीं लगेगा, धीरे 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 आपको म्यूजिक से इश्क हो गया, आप शायद म्यूजिक कंपोजर हो। सो आप अगर थोड़ा वैसे सोचोगे तो आपको दिक्कत नहीं होगी इन स्टार्टिंग अ न्यू थिंग, इन एक्सप्लोरिंग व्हाट यू, एंड द मोस्ट फन एंड द मोस्ट सैटिस्फाइंग थिंग्स एंड अप बीइंग फॉर यू व्हिच वर डिफिकल्ट। आपके लिए जो आसान है आप वो कर दोगे, पर आप एकदम ब्लिस के साथ शायद ना जाओ।
Because there's nothing to be achieved in that.
There's nothing to
easy
be
आ गया।
achieved. As long as you have the courage to walk that difficult path, thinking that no good or bad in an extreme way can eventually harm you. The next day, you still got to wake up, brush your
Be at it.
teeth, do your thing, do your thing. Then you are fine. Pick up all the different projects, dive into the deep ocean, do all the things that you don't know how to do. Eventually, the bliss of achieving or completing a project of the skill that you didn't have initially is so much more than something that easy or
Easy to
in your skill set. लाइक फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे को बचपन से बोल रहे हैं तू टैलेंटेड है यार, तेरे को म्यूजिक आता है, तेरे को डांस आता है। इफ यू आस्क मी, आई एम नॉट सेटिस्फाइड राइट नाउ, बिकॉज मुझे लगता है यार मैंने देखा है ना अपने सीनियर्स को, मुझे पता है उन्हें क्या क्या पता है। तो मैं चुपचाप अभी जो बचपन में नहीं किया, किताबें उठ के पढ़ रहा हूँ, नॉवेल्स पढ़ रहा हूँ, हिंदी पोएट्री पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, दूसरी तरफ शेक्सपियर पढ़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूँ, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि अब इसके आगे अगला लेवल पाने के लिए बेटा आपको उतनी पढ़ाई करनी पड़ेगी, आपको उतना, तो आई हैव टू, इवन इफ आई हेट रीडिंग, इवन इफ इट मेक्स मी स्लीपी, आई गॉट टू रीड दोस 20 पेजेस अ डे। मोहित एक बार पुश कर, it will help and I've realized it has helped recently. A theater director मानव कौल में उन्होंने बोला मेरे प्ले का म्यूजिक बना, मैंने कहा दादा क्या बात कर रहे हो, डन डन, आप बताओ क्या करना है। तो उन्होंने ना मेरे को 3 नॉवल दे दी कि ये पढ़ ले, बात करते हैं, या इस पे गाने बना दे। मैंने कहा मैं लिरिसिस्ट नहीं हूँ, मैं गाने बना लेता हूँ, कोई शब्द दो मुझे। तो कहते ये रे ना, मैंने कहा ये तो पूरी बुक है दादा। हाँ पढ़। अब मुझे पता है या तो मैं मानव दादा को मना कर दूं या मैं किताबें पढ़ लूं। मैंने किताबें पढ़ी, रो रो के एक दिन 10 पेज, एक दिन 15, मेरी स्पीड बढ़ी 25-30 पेज पढ़ गया मैं। धीरे धीरे भाई नॉवल खत्म हो गई, फिर मेरे को समझ आया ये तो मैं कर सकता हूँ, मेरे को हिम्मत मिली, मैंने दूसरी पढ़ ली, मैंने तीसरी पढ़ ली, अब उस नाटक का म्यूजिक भी बन रहा है अपने आप।
क्या बात है।
और आई एम श्योर कि वो स्किल मेरे 3 किताबें पढ़ने से पहले से इतना आगे तो बढ़ा होगा। आप लेजी से एक दिन करेज की तरफ गिरोगे तो बहुत ब्लिसफुल है। वंस यू अंडरस्टैंड, ओहो मुझे ये सर्चिंग में बहुत मजा आ रहा है, सर्चिंग ऑफ व्हाट यू डोंट नो,
tapping into the unknown.
You have to.
And also, do you find difficult sometimes to communicate your vision with your let's say co-actors, co-musicians, because you deal with different people from
Yeah,
who've come from different disciplines.
yeah.
तो सबको बांध के एक विजन की तरफ बढ़ाना, I'm sure it's difficult, right?
Yeah, it's not easy. If you have a Virender Sehwag and a Harbhajan Singh it's very difficult, yeah. But I also feel some things take time, some things click. You got to be patient with whatever is going on. For example, recently what I've been really struggling with is talking to my music programmer because I'm a composer, but कंप्यूटर पे वो गाना बनाना स्किल एकदम अलग स्किल है. तो कभी कभी मैं ये नहीं बता पाता कि मेरे दिमाग में तुम क्या चल रहा है, वो मैं बता नहीं पा रहा. ये तुम क्या एक ग्लास की आवाज है कि क्या ये कोई कीज बज रही है कि मैं गिटार पे बेस बजा रहा हूँ कि वो क्या है. तो समटाइम्स इट इज डिफिकल्ट. या एडिटिंग टर्म्स में उसकी लैंग्वेज पे बात करना, आई एम नॉट प्रोबेबली वेरी थॉरो विद द लैंग्वेज ऑफ सिनेमा एट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम्स बिकॉज मेरी पढ़ाई वहां से नहीं है. मैं ऑन फ्लोर सीखा हुआ आदमी हूँ. यू गॉट टू कीप ट्राइंग. आई फील इवेंचुअली आई हैव आल्सो रिसेंटली लाइक लास्ट ईयर आई मेड अ तेलुगु सॉन्ग. मैं विशाखापट्टनम गया, 600 बच्चों के साथ हमने एक प्ले बनाया. अजीत सिंह पलावत हमारे फ्रेंड है, एनएसडी के सीनियर एक्टर हैं, ब्यूटीफुल एक्टर. उन्होंने प्ले डायरेक्ट किया. उन्होंने एक दिन फोन किया, आजा विशाखापट्टनम जा रहे हैं तेलुगु प्ले बनाने, तू 2 तेलुगु गाने भी बनाएगा. मैंने कहा मैं तेलुगु गाने कैसे बनाऊंगा. एंड देन आई रियलाइज्ड कि म्यूजिशियंस को मैं सिखा रहा हूँ, भाई को मेरी बात समझ नहीं आ रही, मुझे भाई की बात समझ नहीं आ रही, और मैं उसको बता नहीं पा रहा कि यहाँ पे मुझे ये बजा के दे. ये 2 दिन हुआ, पर तीसरे दिन संगीत में इतना पावर है कि तीसरे दिन उसको फील हो गया मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ. मुझे फील हो गया. हमने शो निकाला जिसमें मेरे पास हारमोनियम है, मैं 4 और लोग हैं जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट बजा रहे हैं. उसमें से 3 ना हिंदी बोलते हैं ना इंग्लिश, वो तेलुगु बोलते हैं. उनके साथ आंखों पे हुआ है कि यार फर्स्ट या दादा हमने हेड मूवमेंट से बनाया है उस गेम को.
Oh my God.
So you gotta trust the art, magical things happen.
That mindset is also very important.
Because you know the worst case scenario is still not bad. You gotta get up and do it.
Okay. The last elephant in the room that I want to address is your opinion of Jack of all, Master of none. What do you have to say about it?
It's a very tough one, man. You know, Jack of all trades is okay, but you gotta also walk towards
mastering one.
Yeah, which is why I said, am I fully satisfied? No, because मुझे पता है कि मैं इस फील्ड में कितना पीछे हूँ, मैं इसमें कितना पीछे हूँ, मैं इसमें और इसमें कितना पीछे हूँ. There is one thing called आर्ट के मामले में बात करते हैं, और एक है आपको अपना घर चलाना है. किसी किसी को पता होता है कि मैं सिर्फ एक्टर ही हूँ और मुझे अपना घर चलाना है, तो वो उसका मास्टर बनने के लिए अपना 100 लगा देगा. I don't think it answers your question completely.
Another question which I wanted to ask, because you know so many things, do you yourself sometimes get confused कि मैं inherently कौन हूँ यार? क्या मैं एक actor हूँ, क्या मैं एक composer हूँ, क्या मैं एक director हूँ? Do you feel you get lost in your own identity?
I think I used to till about 4 years back.
Then what do you do?
Then I realized कि मेरे टेंशन लेने से कुछ हो नहीं रहा था. मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि मैं पूरी सिर्फ मैंने सोचा इस पॉइंट पे सिर्फ एक्टिंग करेंगे, पर फिर मुझे समझ आया कि जो मैं इतना ज्यादा संगीत से प्यार करता हूँ और मेरे कुछ दिन जागते हैं, उसका मैं क्या करूँ, या मेरा जो डांस का मेरे को चुल होती है करने की, उसका मैं क्या करूँ. तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ यार एक ही लाइफ है,
सब कर लो.
मुझे करने हैं मजे.
Wow, YOLO.
By the time it's too late for me to move from my bed, I want to make sure you wanted to dance, you danced. Yes. You wanted to make music, you made. Yes. मरना उसने भी है, मरना आपने भी है. आपका अगर अब दिल कह रहा है मैं सब करूंगा, सब करो. अगर आपका मन कर रहा है मैं एक चीज करूंगा, पकड़ के करूंगा, तो उसको ऐसा पकड़ के करो जो कोई ना पकड़े.
So your 80-year-old self should look back and say कि तुझे जो चाहिए था वो तूने किया.
तूने मजे करके किया, तू रोया नहीं उसके बारे में.
That was such an insightful conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm sorry we are in a crunch of time, but
No,
it's a delight to have you. And hopefully we'll do another session soon and we'll explore some other topic.
Yes.
Because I'm sure our viewers have a lot more to gain out of you. थोड़ा बहुत exploit करके निकालते हैं भाई के साथ. इतना सारा है जो knowledge बांटने के लिए.
No,
but for today, thank you very much.
No, thank you. I hope this podcast keep running, and I think you're doing a fabulous job. People need to know insights of how what happens and how to open your internal doors for a few things. And if these things can add to that, It's a beautiful thing you're doing. So good luck, Baba.
Thank you, my pleasure. Thank
Thank
you very
you.
much.
Thank you.
So that was the episode with Mohit Agarwal, and what he taught us today can be comprised in the saying, Jack of all trades, master of none, but oftentimes is better than master of one. Yes, that's correct. He told us to keep pursuing all the skill sets that you want, keep honing them, and don't let anyone say otherwise. So that was it from the episode. I hope it was of value to you on how to merge all of these different skill sets, how to work on them. And if you like what we're making, please like, subscribe, and comment on the things that you would like us to improve or you would like us to incorporate in our podcast series. So as for the place, this wonderful place is Kawali Sky Lounge. They've been kind enough to host our podcast. So if you're around, do check it out. This rooftop is amazing to have some chill time with your friends and family. So that was it for today, and we'll see you in the next episode with another guest talking about something else, some other disciplines, and some other topic. In the meantime, please subscribe to our channel, We Are Art. We'll see you on the other side. Take care.